So alright my people, I'm going to teach you how to set keyboard from Genesis to Revelation. So please pay very attention for this lesson. I'm going to teach you how to fix voice while playing worship song and how to fix voice while playing praises. In fact, if I'm going to have time, I'm going to teach you how to play high life. And this is the same keyboard. So coming to that, I'm going to take you into the setting. So pay very attention. God the Father, God the Son, God the Holy Ghost. Oh, God the Father, God the Son, God the Holy Ghost. Oh, God the Father, God the Son. God the Father, God the Holy Ghost. Hello people, I'm going to teach you the setting. We are going to start from Genesis. This is grand piano, so though you can use it to play, but if you want to use this to play, make sure that all the instruments are available. So but if you don't have any instrument available like bass and guitarist while playing worship song, though guitarists can play on worship, but the piano is the most thing in worship. You are going to split the keyboard, press God the Father, God the Son, God the Holy Ghost, come down. God the Father, God the Son, God the Holy Ghost, come down. If you want to make the thing to rhyme, you press Dua. God the Father, God the Son, God the Holy Ghost, come down. God the Father, God the Son, God the Holy Ghost, come down. People, I'm going to teach you how to set it while playing praises. Grand piano again. So what you're going to do is to play jazz guitar at the right hand and play fingering bass at the left hand. God the Father, God the Son, God the Holy Ghost. God the Father, God the Son, God the Holy Ghost, come down. God the Father, God the Father, God the Father, God the Son, God the Father, God the my people. Hello YouTube, thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate your effort making this my channel to grow. Please, if you want another tutorial like this, worship tutorial or praises tutorial again, click on the video showing at the left hand. If you want another high life tutorial in this my channel, click on this video showing at the right hand. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Please try to subscribe on this channel for more video. Thank you.